Hello, my name is Catherine. Today I'll show you this extraordinary home perched at the very top of the luxurious hidden Bay estate. Enter through an elegant foyer full of light, space, and air. For you and your guests' convenience, there's a stylish powder room and a spacious walk-in closet right by the entrance. This cozy home was designed both for living and for entertaining. The living room is adorned with artwork and smartly divided into key functional zones, like a dining space or even a conference area. The space is bathed in natural light from grand 8-meter panoramic windows opening onto the terrace. No matter where you stand, you see the Aegean Sea. The acoustics in this room are perfect for listening to classical music. The living room flows onto a charming, inviting terrace. The home is filled with soul. Unique pieces abound: hand-carved teak and mango terrace wood furniture, century-old redwood brought from Yellowstone National Park, carpets and decor brought from Indonesia give the house a colonial touch. Just look at this stunning craftsmanship. Just imagine your family or friends gathered here on a warm summer evening, enjoying this terrace. Look at this beautiful, bright hallway with windows facing the garden. On the ground floor, there are 2 guest bedrooms, both with lovely views. Every bedroom in this house has its own distinct style. No 2 are the same. Here, the bed's headboard is made of soft, creamy velvet. This bedroom is decorated in a bold, avant-garde style. In this room, the designer chose rich fabric-covered walls. Each bedroom has excellent built-in wardrobes located at the entrance, providing a comfort and sufficient storage area. Wardrobes equipped with lighting. Also, each bedroom has a beautiful and spacious private bathroom with a large walk-in shower, roomy enough for even 2 persons. But there are also toilet and bidet in each bathroom. For your comfort, the villa features a private elevator. The elevator takes you to the 2nd floor, where a beautiful lounge awaits. This level has 4 exquisite bedrooms, but also the magnificent master suite. The master bedroom is extremely spacious and includes 2 large bathrooms with showers. I want you to notice that natural light fills every room of this home, even the bathrooms. The bed in this master suite is positioned in such a way that even when you're lying down, you're looking at a breathtaking view of the Aegean Sea. And this room, a dream for any fashion lover. Look at these fabulous wardrobes. You could fit your entire collection here, and then some. Picture your evening gowns and tailored suits hanging here in style. The bedroom at the opposite wing also has its own walk-in closet. This bathroom features a huge window overlooking the garden. So bright and open, like all the upstairs bedrooms, this bedroom's panoramic windows open directly onto the sea view terrace with stylish rattan furniture. One of the surprises of this home is its generous proportions. Nothing here feels cramped. Even the closets, storage rooms, and laundry spaces are enormous. You could practically run around inside. This shared terrace for the 4 bedrooms also connects directly to the garden. A wide marble staircase leads you to the 2nd floor. One of the highlights of this villa is the private spa zone. At the entrance, there's a small lounge area with 2 bathrooms. And the scent of fresh wood welcomes you as you walk in. The sauna fits up to 15 people. In the center, a therapeutic plunge pool awaits. A lush green hedge provides privacy for the spa terrace. Perfect for unwinding without leaving home. In the northern wing, there's a large laundry room and a comfortable 2-bedroom apartment for staff. The kitchen is the heart of every home, and this one will steal yours. Real wood cabinetry, Miele appliances, and everything a gourmet chef could dream of. It opens onto a summer veranda with a fully equipped professional sushi bar. This home is ideal for hosting dinner parties and lavish events. And here's the cozy family dining nook, perfect for everyday meals. Perched on a hill, the garden offers stunning sea views from every corner. Each tree is hand-picked and lovingly maintained. I'm sure once you step into this home, you'll never want to leave. This villa is more than a house, it's a way of life. It blends luxury, nature, style, and soul. If you're searching for something truly special, you've just found it. Thank you for joining me. I'm Catherine, and I'll be waiting for you here in Izmir.